I'm here with Chantal with Truma. Gotten some questions about some ACs, which ones are going to be the best ones for me. So I figured we should find out what the best questions are going to be to ask and maybe what you guys have to offer.
Absolutely. So I can't really tell you about other air conditioners, but I can tell you all about the Truma Aventa. So one of the big challenges that people have with air conditioning is in an RV application is that it's very loud. So we have solved that problem with some different technology. Our unit is significantly quieter than other brands that are on the market. It has the same rough opening of all of the other common brands, so the 14 by 14 opening on the inside, so it is retrofittable in that aspect to any RV. However, because it is a lower profile than most, sitting at 10.2 inches high at its highest point, to give that low profile and still have all of the operator coils and condenser coils and everything that need to be inside the unit, we do have a slightly longer and wider footprint than other brands. So this might not be retrofittable into every single application. And because of that, we ask customers to fill out a bit of a questionnaire to qualify the coach to see if this is something that will fit, because real estate on the top of an RV is at a premium, right? So you may have a roof vent or a solar panel or something like that that butts right up against your existing AC. You might have to move that. So there may be some prep work that needs to be done prior to installing the Aventa. It's available in two different sizes, a 13,500 BTU or a 15,000 BTU. So both of those are common sizes of units. That is what's available. It is a 120 volt system. I know there are some 12 volt systems out there. That is not what this is, but it is a pretty low amp draw. I believe it's 12 amps at high speed on the 15,000 BTU unit. So that's a pretty low amp draw compared to other brands. So what I want to show you that kind of makes it different is this really high density foam base. Very solid construction, but this absorbs a lot of the vibration that happens that causes the noise in other brands. Also, all of our components are sitting on springs, so those springs are absorbing a bunch of that vibration as well. You can see our motor here spins very freely and silently. It's sitting on ball bearings, very smooth. It will run like that just on me spinning it. 5 minutes from now, it'll probably still be spinning, and it's nice and smooth, very balanced. You don't have to do anything to balance out the unit. So this is available. If you have another Truma system, you would have a central control panel that this could be integrated into that central control panel. If not, it can be operated with this remote control, and it's very easy. Now, one of the things that's a little bit different about our unit is that it is checking the room temperature actually inside of the air distributor that's on the inside of the vehicle. So it's bringing that air in all the time. Because of the fan on this unit runs constant. It doesn't cycle on and off, which actually is a benefit for several reasons. One is we're picking up that air temperature at the highest, warmest point all the time. The other is that it's wicking the moisture out of the air. It acts as a dehumidifier. So it's constantly pulling that moisture out of the air, but also it's not on and off. So it can hear that, and that can be disruptive when you're watching television and you have to keep changing the volume. This fan is going to run all the time. The condenser goes on and off, but the fan runs constant. You can see we have a huge evaporator coil around that is working to provide really fast cooling. So this is a really great product. It is German engineered. We are very proud of this, and we do have sales and service centers in several locations that can install this. Not widely available right now in the aftermarket. Only a Truma service center can install it, and we have locations in Elkhart, Indiana, Lakeland, Florida, and then we have mobile technicians who can do the installations also in Phoenix, Arizona, and Austin, Texas. So we do have some available options for installation. This is an air conditioner that is built to last. All of our products come with a 2-year warranty, but we haven't had a significant amount of issue warranty-wise with any of our products. They're all very well designed. Also, there was something else I wanted to say, but I don't remember. It's gone. I'm old.
Well, that is wonderful. I know you said you don't have a whole lot to say about other manufacturers, which I totally understand. If another manufacturer ends up being somebody that we'd look at, what would we look for in theirs to possibly make sure we're getting a quality unit?
Well, I think you can look at price point and have somewhat of an idea what the quality is. The unit's going to run around $2,700 installed. So that doesn't mean it's better always. Price point doesn't necessarily mean it's better. But if you're looking at a similar brand, a similar capacity, and it's a third of the price, I mean, you're going to lose some quality there. There's no doubt that you come to some degree, you get what you pay for. Also, you want to look at the noise rating and you want to look at the amp draw. What's the current that they're drawing off that unit? So, and then look at customer reviews also, because if you look at Truma, if you go out and you just do Google searches for Truma, you're going to find that we have almost a cult following of people who love our products. If you have Truma products, you're going to love them. And so if you go and look at some of our competitors, that may not be the case. And it's good to educate yourself about what you're purchasing.
Perfect. Thank you so much
Of
for your
course.
time.
It's my
And you have a
pleasure.
wonderful day.